Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Edge 70 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then we can open the settings. Here let's scroll down until you will find the option System Updates, and here tap on Check for Updates. Now your device is checking for the updates, and you can meet two different scenarios. And this is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.